Introducing the 2006 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features a standard transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, front dual-zone air conditioning, fully automatic headlights, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Call now to schedule a test drive.